Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t plus t plus t divided by t is equals to square root of t, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here you see that this t is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of t divided by t is equals to square root of t. And now further in the next step, we move this t from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 3 times of t is equals to t times of square root of t. And now here our target is to find the values of t. So for this we need to remove this square root sign from right hand side. In order to remove the square root sign, we will apply squaring on both of the sides. And here we just apply this square separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 3 square into t square equals to, this will be written as t square into square root of t and its whole square. And now in the next step we need little bit more simplifications, and it will becomes 3 square becomes 9 times t square equals to, this is t square into this 2 and square root are gone, and we again get here t only. And further in the next step we have, this is 9 times t square is equals to t square multiplied by t becomes t cubed. Further in the next step we move this 9t square from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes t cubed minus 9t square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to take common t square from both of these two terms, and after taking common t square we get the remaining values are, from here we get t minus from here we get 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write t minus 9 is equals to 0. And from here we obtain the value of t is equals to 0 and 0. So from here we obtain the repeated roots of t. So from here we move minus 9 to the right hand side, and we get the second value of t is 9. So here we have 0 with the repeated root, and the distinct root of given equation are 0 and 9. So these are the two distinct roots of the given equation. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is t plus t plus t divided by t is equals to square root of t. And in this side we will be verified t is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verified t is equals to 9. So here we substitute the value of t is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 0 equals to square root of 0. And here we get 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So you clearly see here 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value of t is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about that t equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root which we get here. And now in the same pattern we need to verify the second root, that is t is equals to 9, and we substitute it on both of the sides, and it will becomes 9 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 9 is equals to square root of 9. And we write 9, we see that 9 is added by 3 times, we write it as 3 times of 9 divided by 9 is equals to, here you see that square root of 9 becomes 3. So this 9 and this 9 are gone, and we get here 3 is equals to 3. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. This means that the value of t is equals to 9 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is t equals to 9. This is the only one solution which we get here in this method. And now in the next step, we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is t plus t plus t divided by t is equals to square root of t. So here in the our second method be the be the quick method, and here we quickly get the roots of this equation. So we have t plus t becomes 3 times of t divided by t is equals to square root of t. And now you see here this t and this t are cancelled out by each other, and in the left hand side we will get 3 is equals to square root of t. So here our target is to find the values of t, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will becomes here 3 square becomes 9, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here t. So in the second method, you see here we get only one root of the given equation, and that is t is equals to 9. But in the first method, we already verified that this value of t is satisfied our given question statement. So here finally we have the solution set of this problem is t is equals to 9. So here we get this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.